I picked up this board from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to paint it using some Wise Owl dried thyme. Now, of course, you could pick any color of your choice. I have the letters H, M, and E, and then a wood circle, and I'm going to paint all of those in the goldenrod. Once they're done being fully covered, I'm going to move them out of the way. I have this little chicken that I also got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to stain it using General Finishes Antique Walnut Gel Stain, and I'm just taking a paper towel and applying the gel stain. I got this mesh stencil off Amazon. It's almost like a basket weave, and I'm going to place my chicken underneath the stencil, and using a foam dabber and some Snow Owl paint, I'm just rubbing over the stencil onto the chicken. And I love this pattern. I'm going to let all those pieces dry, and I'm going to go back to my board. Now there's little slats in the board, and I'm going to take some brown paint. You do not need to be neat. It's going to come up onto the dried thyme. And then I'm going to take a baby wipe and just wipe it in. Now, this is just a technique that I'm using. If you do not like this look, then you can certainly do it with some painter's tape or even just leave the slatted areas untouched. But I kind of liked how when you fill in the line and then you take a baby wipe, very lightly rub the brown paint in, it kind of removes it off of where it bled onto the dried thyme. And once it all dries, it almost looks distressed. Right now it looks a little different because it's still wet. You're going to take sandpaper and just lightly sand. This is going to smooth everything out, and I'm going to remove all of that dust. I'm then going to lay my letters starting on the left side. And once I was happy with the placement, I'm going to hold those down with some hot glue. Then I'm going to take the chicken and place it in the center of the circle. You could do this with any farm animal. I have some greenery. I'm going to put one on the left and right and have the stems meet in the center. I'm taking some hot glue and I'm wrapping jute around the stems. This just gives it more of a finished look. And then I'm gluing the ends down with the hot glue. You just want to make sure those ends are nice and secure. Then I'm going to take that and glue that at the top of the board here. You could also staple it down if you prefer that. And then I have a bow that I'm going to place on top. And again, you could pick any bow color of your choice. And I placed that right in the center, held it down with some hot glue, and just finished off my ends. I really like how this came out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, mesh stencils, and wood cutouts can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you could check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.